Hi, this is Cesar Feiju. So this is week 3. We're doing the interactive concept, baking soda and vinegar rocket. So basically, on this experiment we have baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, and we have acetic acid, which is the vinegar. And the vinegar is a solution which is 5% acetic acid and 95% water. So when you mix the two together, um, what happens is that the baking soda acts as a base. Obviously, the acetic acid is the acid, right? So the hydrogen ions in the solution of acetic acid um, are going to react with the sodium bicarbonate, and then they're going to create or they're going to form carbonic acid, and then this carbonic acid is going to dissolve into or decompose into water and carbon dioxide. And the carbon dioxide is a gas, and if we have enough vinegar, then all the sodium bicarbonate is gonna react and create a lot of carbon dioxide, which generates a lot of pressure, and then that's why the bottled water or whatever you use is gonna pop up and flying high in the air. So this is what happened with ours. The first one didn't work as good as we wanted it to.
Gonna explode.
So this is actually the second one we did. The first one didn't even do that. So yeah, it lifted like a foot maybe. And then this is our third attempt to do it. We're waiting there. That one flew up really high, really nice. And that's it. So that's the reaction or the acid-base reaction between sodium bicarbonate and acetic acid. Thank you.